Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unlike Christmas and Hanukkah, Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday, but a cultural one. The holiday encourages the celebration of African heritage, gatherings between family and friends, and the reflection on 7 African values called the 7 Principles, or the Nguzo Saba.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday, nor does it replace Christmas. Instead, it was created during the Black movement of the mid-1960s to combat the commercialism of Christmas by honoring our African heritage and culture with the 7 basic principles, expressed in Swahili as Nguzo Saba.
Take our lead.
The name Kwanzaa comes from the phrase, Matunda ya Kwanza, which means, first fruits, in the Swahili language, an Eastern African language spoken in countries including Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Mozambique and Zimbabwe. Kwanzaa is mostly celebrated in the USA.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.